I wanted to decorate the room or change its style, so I headed to the thrift shop and found a couple of things, and I got all of this for just about $20. I love these because they are so simple and they are cute, and they will cover up any blank space on a wall without having to do much. Honestly, I got this salt shaker mainly for the aesthetic or just decoration than to use it as a salt shaker in this bowl. I thought it was perfect to put my jewelry or my ring or necklace before I go to bed. And I thought these were also very cute. I love the monstera leaves and the palm trees and the detail that goes around it. This, I have no idea what it is, but I'll come up with something. I'm showing you guys all of this so you can see what I got at the thrift shop. I'm not going to be using all of this today for this video. It's going to be on other videos. But yeah, this is what I got. I wanted to use this for propagation, like a propagation station. How am I going to fix it because it's a little bit flimsy? I don't know yet, but we'll make it work. So I'm excited to use this one. I thought it was actually really cute. The reason I got these is because they were the only ones that fit in this other thing that I found, and this will also serve me as a propagation station. I thought it was really cute. It needs to be painted or retouched, cleaned, and all of that. But yeah, these were the only cups that fit in there perfectly, and I thought it was really cute. And alright, now to get into the video of what we're actually making today. Like I said, I wanted to update my room or decorate. I had some wall spaces that were blank and pretty boring, honestly. So I got this lampshade and this cord so I can make my own grow light. These are the ones that I got. I found these in Home Depot, but I know that they also have them at Walmart. They have them in several places. So I'm just going to remove this so that the cord can actually sit on this. So I'm just going to put some cardboard, make a hole, and put the cord through that. So this is what I got. It's not neat, it's not cute, but it's gonna work. It's gonna serve its purpose. I'm just putting it in there and just letting it sit so it doesn't fall out through the other side. So I made it a little bit bigger, and now I'm putting the cord through it. I didn't film myself putting up the shelves or anything like that because that's just pretty basic. So I got these shelves actually off Amazon, and I really like them. They are very light. It's the perfect shade that I got. I got 4 of them, and they just look amazing with my new plants. So here I'm just making a hole so I can put the hook up there, and through the hook I can slip in the cord of the grow light. because my initial plan was to get a grow light that operated with batteries. I went on and put up the shelves, but then I realized that it was almost nearly impossible to find a grow light that worked with batteries, so I decided to get the cord. And to do so, I had to remove the shelves because I want this cord obviously to go behind it and for the cord to go unnoticed as much as possible. I got these hooks, or not hooks, these little clear sticky things so that they go on the wall and I can slip in the cord behind it. I'm just rearranging the cord here now that I have it behind the shelves, making sure that the light bulb is sitting there snug and that it's not tilted, so making sure that it's sitting up straight. And this is how it's looking. I still have to put the cord up against the wall to make it less noticeable, but I'm so happy with how this turned out. Honestly, I could picture what I wanted, and this just blew my mind of how good it looks. I'm really happy with it. The plants look amazing. I got some new baby plants, so I'm really excited about that. These are the stickies, clips, or whatever you want to call it, that I am using to put the cord like back up against the wall. It's very easy to install. You just peel the sheet off the back and just stick it to the wall. Make sure that your wall is clean so it doesn't come off. This is how it turned out. I am beyond happy with the lights, with the clips, with how the cord is sitting right on the corner. It really does go unnoticed, so I'm really happy with that. This is another bulb that I have. I actually had this one already, or I guess the lamp stand, and I just switched it for a grow light, and this is how it's looking. As you can see on the other side, I still need to fix the cord so it's up against the wall. Meanwhile, on my side, it's looking very clean with the cord, and I am very happy with it. I love how the plants look. So these light bulbs actually give off a lot of light, white light, but on the previous clips it looked like that because of my camera settings. But this is how the video turned out, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.